Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while. Sorry, haven't been online, but I am restoring this 2002 zero turn ZMaster 62 inch. Did some engine work. Sorry I didn't tape it, but I just figured out a trick, and maybe it could help you guys out. Getting these little, sorry, these. I had a problem with my gas tank. It was leaking. So I ordered these valves. I ordered these valves. It's $9 for two. And they work pretty good, actually. So, but there's a trick. I just realized. So this piece goes underneath here. I put this one in already. It was a bitch. But this rubber piece goes first, and then you slide in the valve past it. But if you don't want to take the tank off, get some PVC pipe like this. And what I realized is I could pry it. By doing this, pushing the metal up inside, and it just popped right in. And I thought maybe if anybody's working on a zero turn that needs to change these rubber gaskets, apparently they just fall apart. This one did. Pick them up on Amazon, get a little PVC pipe, and pry it from that bar up. Very helpful. Total pain in the ass without that. Doing it upside down and stuff. While in a wheelchair it is. But I will do some more videos of the work I'm doing. Please like and subscribe. If anybody needs any other questions about zero turns or boats or trucks or Land Cruisers, give me a holler. Thank you very much for watching. See you all soon.